My first question is find the limit of sin x over sin pi x as x approaches to 0. First, we need to multiply x over x and multiply pi x over pi x. So in the first step, we can get limit sin x over sin pi x as x approaches to 0 times x over x times pi x over pi x. Then we can change the position of the numerator and denominator, so we can get limit sin x over x as x approaches to 0 times limit pi x over sin pi x as x approaches to 0 times limit x over pi x as x approaches to 0. Then we can cancel the numerator and denominator, like sin x cancelled with sin x and pi x cancelled with pi x and x cancelled with x, so we can get the final answer, which is 1 over pi. The second question is find the limit tangent 6t over sine 2t as t approaches to 0. As the first step, we need to rewrite the function cos tangent equals to sine over cosine. So in the first step, we can get sine 6t over cosine 6t over sine 2t as t approaches to 0. Then multiply 6t over 6t and multiply 2t over 2t. Then we can get limit sine 6t over cosine 6t sine 2t times 6t over 6t times 2t over 2t. Then we can change the position of the numerator and denominator, so we can get limit sine 6t over 6t times 2t over sine 2t times 6t over 2t times 1 over cosine 6t as t approaches to 0. Then we need to simplify the function and cancel the numerator and denominator, so we can get 1 times 1 times 6 over 2 times 1, so we can get the final answer, which is 3. The third question is find the limit of cosine theta minus 1 over sine theta as theta approaches to 0. For this question, we need to know that limit cosine theta minus 1 over theta as theta approaches to 0 is equal to 0. I write it in orange. So in the first step, we need to make both numerator and denominator divide theta, so we can get limit cosine theta minus 1 over theta divide sine theta over theta as theta approaches to 0. And then we can get limit cosine theta minus 1 over theta as theta approaches to 0 divide limit sine theta over theta as theta approaches to 0. And because the cosine theta minus 1 over theta as theta approaches to 0 is equal to 0, so we can get 0 over 1, and we can get the final answer, which is 0.